Symantec Enterprise Cloud Online Training. Introduction to Symantec Enterprise Cloud, Overview and Evolution. Symantec Enterprise Cloud, now known as Veritas Enterprise Cloud, is a suite of cloud management services and solutions provided by Veritas Technologies. Here's an overview and evolution of Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Overview. Cloud Management Services, Symantec Enterprise Cloud, now Veritas Enterprise Cloud, offers a range of services designed to manage data and workloads across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. It focuses on providing robust data management, storage optimization, and data protection capabilities. Key features. Data protection ensures data integrity and security across various cloud platforms. Storage optimization manages storage resources efficiently to optimize performance and reduce costs. Hybrid cloud management facilitates seamless integration and management of workloads across public and private clouds. Scalability and flexibility provides scalable solutions to meet varying business needs and dynamic workloads. Security and compliance. Symantec Enterprise Cloud emphasizes security and compliance, offering features to safeguard data and ensure adherence to regulatory requirements. Evolution. Symantec's role. Originally part of Symantec Corporation, the enterprise cloud services were developed to address the growing demand for secure and efficient cloud management solutions. Acquisition by Veritas. In 2015, Symantec split its business into two entities, with its information management business becoming part of Veritas Technologies LLC. This transition led to the rebranding of many Symantec products, including Symantec Enterprise Cloud, which became part of Veritas' portfolio. Integration and enhancements. Under Veritas, the enterprise cloud services have been integrated with Veritas' existing data management and protection solutions. This integration aims to provide a comprehensive platform for managing and protecting data across hybrid cloud environments. Market positioning. Veritas Enterprise Cloud continues to evolve to meet the needs of enterprises dealing with complex data management challenges in hybrid and multi-cloud environments. It competes with other major cloud management platforms by offering robust features and a focus on data security and compliance. Key features and capabilities of Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Symantec Enterprise Cloud, now known as Norton Cloud, offers several key features and capabilities tailored for enterprise-level security and management. Cloud Security Services. Symantec Enterprise Cloud provides robust security services designed to protect cloud-based applications and data, including threat detection, prevention, and response capabilities. Data protection. It offers data encryption and tokenization services to ensure data privacy and compliance with regulatory requirements. Identity and access management. Symantec Enterprise Cloud includes features for managing user identities and controlling access to cloud resources through authentication and authorization mechanisms. Compliance and governance. It helps organizations maintain compliance with industry regulations and internal policies by offering auditing, reporting, and governance tools. Integration capabilities. The platform integrates with existing IT infrastructure and third-party applications, facilitating seamless deployment and management within hybrid cloud environments. Scalability and performance. Symantec Enterprise Cloud is designed to scale according to business needs, ensuring optimal performance and reliability even during peak usage. Threat intelligence. Leveraging Symantec's extensive threat intelligence network, the platform provides real-time insights into emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Hybrid cloud support. It supports hybrid cloud deployments, allowing organizations to securely extend their on-premises infrastructure to the cloud while maintaining consistent security policies. Monitoring and management. The platform includes monitoring and management tools to provide visibility into cloud usage, performance metrics, and security posture. Service level agreements. SLAs. Symantec Enterprise Cloud typically offers SLAs that guarantee uptime, performance, and response times for critical services, ensuring reliability and customer satisfaction. Cybersecurity advantages of Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Advanced threat protection. It provides robust protection against a wide range of cyber threats, including malware, ransomware, phishing attacks, and zero-day vulnerabilities. Data encryption. Symantec Enterprise Cloud ensures data confidentiality through strong encryption mechanisms, both in transit and at rest, safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access. Identity and access management. It includes sophisticated identity and access management controls to enforce least privilege principles and ensure that only authorized users and devices can access resources. Compliance and governance helps organizations adhere to regulatory requirements and industry standards by providing compliance tools and reporting capabilities that monitor and audit cloud usage and security posture. Incident response and forensics offers capabilities for rapid incident response and forensic investigation, helping organizations to quickly detect, respond to, and mitigate security incidents in the cloud environment. Continuous monitoring and analytics utilizes advanced monitoring and analytics tools to detect anomalies and suspicious activities, enabling proactive threat hunting and security operations. Integration and automation integrates with existing security infrastructures and supports automation to streamline security operations and response, improving overall efficiency and reducing the time to detect and mitigate threats. Data privacy and compliance with Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Symantec Enterprise Cloud, now known as Broadcom's Symantec Enterprise division after its acquisition, offers various solutions for data privacy and compliance. Here are some key aspects. Data encryption. Symantec Enterprise Cloud provides robust encryption capabilities to protect data both at rest and in transit. This helps organizations comply with data protection regulations by ensuring that sensitive information is securely stored and transmitted. Access controls. It includes features for managing access to data and applications, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. This is crucial for maintaining data privacy and complying with regulatory requirements. Compliance management. Symantec Enterprise Cloud helps organizations monitor and enforce compliance with various regulations and standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, etc. It provides tools for auditing, reporting, and ensuring that data handling practices align with regulatory requirements. Data residency and sovereignty. It offers options to specify where data is stored, data residency, to comply with regional or industry-specific regulations regarding data sovereignty. Data loss prevention. DLP Semantic Enterprise Cloud includes DLP capabilities to prevent unauthorized data disclosure and ensure that sensitive information does not leave the organization's control. Security and threat management. It integrates advanced security measures to protect data from threats such as malware, phishing attacks, and other cybersecurity risks, thereby safeguarding data privacy. Scalability and performance tuning in Semantic Enterprise Cloud. It seems like you're interested in scalability and performance tuning within Semantic Enterprise Cloud. Scalability in this context often involves the ability of the cloud infrastructure to handle increased workload demands by efficiently adding resources. Performance tuning, on the other hand, focuses on optimizing the system to achieve the best possible performance for specific workloads. Here are a few general strategies that are often applicable in cloud environments like Semantic Enterprise Cloud. Autoscaling. Implementing autoscaling policies based on metrics like CPU utilization, memory usage, or network traffic to dynamically adjust resources up or down as needed. Resource optimization. Fine-tuning resource allocation such as CPU cores, memory, and storage to match workload requirements more precisely. Load balancing. Distributing incoming network traffic across multiple servers to optimize resource utilization, maximize throughput, minimize response time, and avoid overload. Caching strategies. Utilizing caching mechanisms to reduce latency and improve responsiveness for frequently accessed data. Database optimization. Optimizing database queries, indexes, and schema designed to improve query performance and reduce database load. Monitoring and analytics. Implementing robust monitoring tools to continuously monitor performance metrics and identify bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Content delivery networks. CDNs. Utilizing CDNs to cache content closer to end users, reducing latency and improving overall performance for geographically dispersed users. Integration strategies for Semantic Enterprise Cloud. Integrating Semantic Enterprise Cloud involves several strategies depending on your specific needs and the components you wish to integrate. Here are some general integration strategies. API integration. Semantic Enterprise Cloud provides APIs that allow you to integrate its services with other applications and systems. This can include automating workflows, managing resources, and accessing data programmatically. Single sign-on. SSO. Implementing SSO with Semantic Enterprise Cloud can enhance security and user experience by allowing users to authenticate once and access multiple applications seamlessly. Data integration. If you need to integrate data from Semantic Enterprise Cloud with other systems, such as CRM, ERP, or analytics platforms, consider using ETL, extract, transform, load, tools or direct APIs provided by Semantic. Identity and access management. IAM. Integrating IAM solutions can help manage user identities, permissions, and access controls across Semantic Enterprise Cloud and other IT systems. Monitoring and management integration. Integrate monitoring tools to monitor the performance, availability, and health of Semantic Enterprise Cloud services. This can include using SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, or custom APIs. Compliance and governance integration. Implement tools and processes to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. This may involve integrating Symantec Enterprise Cloud with governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) solutions. Backup and disaster recovery integration. Implement backup and disaster recovery solutions to ensure data protection and business continuity for Symantec Enterprise Cloud services. Security measures in Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Securing Symantec Enterprise Cloud involves several key measures to protect data and systems. Here are some common security practices typically implemented. Encryption. Data should be encrypted both in transit and at rest to prevent unauthorized access. Symantec Enterprise Cloud likely employs strong encryption standards to protect sensitive data. Access control. Utilizing robust access control mechanisms ensures that only authorized personnel and systems can access specific resources within the cloud environment. This involves role-based access controls, RBAC, and strong authentication mechanisms. Network security. Implementing firewalls, intrusion detection prevention systems, IDS, IPS, and secure network protocols helps defend against network-based attacks and unauthorized access attempts. Vulnerability management. Regular scanning and patching of systems and applications are crucial to mitigate vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. Logging and monitoring. Continuous monitoring of activities and logging of events within the cloud environment help detect and respond to security incidents promptly. Identity and authentication management. Implementing multi-factor authentication, MFA, and strong identity management practices enhance security by ensuring that only authorized users can access resources. Compliance and auditing. Adherence to regulatory compliance standards and conducting regular security audits ensure that security measures are effective and meet industry standards. Incident response. Having a well-defined incident response plan enables quick and effective responses to security breaches or incidents, minimizing their impact. Customization options and flexibility in Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Symantec Enterprise Cloud offers a range of customization options and flexibility tailored to enterprise needs. Here are some key aspects. Service models. Symantec provides infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS, models. This allows businesses to choose between managing their own infrastructure or leveraging Symantec's platforms for application development and deployment. Deployment options. Enterprises can deploy Symantec Enterprise Cloud solutions either in public, private, or hybrid cloud environments. This flexibility accommodates varying security, compliance, and performance requirements. Scalability. Symantec Enterprise Cloud is designed to scale seamlessly according to business needs. This includes the ability to rapidly scale resources up or down based on demand, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. Security and compliance. Symantec integrates robust security measures into its cloud services, including data encryption, identity and access management, and compliance with industry regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA. This ensures data protection and regulatory adherence. Integration capabilities. The cloud platform supports integration with existing enterprise systems and applications through APIs and middleware solutions. This facilitates smooth migration and interoperability with on-premises and third-party solutions. Management tools. Symantec provides comprehensive management tools and dashboards for monitoring performance, resource utilization, and compliance. This empowers IT teams to optimize operations and maintain service levels effectively. Industry applications and case studies of Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Symantec Enterprise Cloud, now known as Broadcom Enterprise Software, provides a range of cybersecurity and enterprise solutions rather than a specific cloud infrastructure service like AWS or Azure. Here are some of the industry applications and case studies typically associated with Symantec, Broadcom, Enterprise Software. Cybersecurity solutions. Symantec is renowned for its cybersecurity offerings, including endpoint protection, threat detection and response, data protection, and cloud security. These solutions are widely used across industries to secure sensitive data and prevent cyber threats. Enterprise backup and recovery. Symantec offers backup and recovery solutions that help organizations protect their critical data and ensure business continuity. These solutions are crucial for industries handling large volumes of data, such as finance, healthcare, and telecommunications. Cloud security. With the shift towards cloud computing, Symantec provides security solutions tailored for cloud environments. This includes securing cloud applications, data, and infrastructure, ensuring compliance, and protecting against cloud-based threats. Compliance and governance. Industries that must adhere to strict regulatory requirements, such as healthcare, HIPAA, finance, PCI DSS, and government, NIST, use Symantec solutions for compliance management and governance. Endpoint protection. Organizations across all sectors use Symantec's endpoint protection to secure devices like desktops, laptops, and mobile devices from malware, ransomware, and other cyber threats. Data loss prevention. DLP industries handling sensitive data, such as financial institutions and healthcare providers, utilize Symantec DLP solutions to prevent unauthorized data access, leakage, and ensure data privacy compliance. Case studies. Financial services. Many banks and financial institutions use Symantec Enterprise Cloud for its robust security features, protecting customer data, and ensuring compliance with financial regulations. Healthcare. Hospitals and healthcare providers rely on Symantec for securing patient records and complying with healthcare data protection laws like HIPAA. Government. Federal and state agencies use Symantec solutions to protect sensitive government data and ensure national security. Telecommunications. Telecom companies use Symantec for network security, protecting customer information, and ensuring secure communication channels. Risk management and mitigation in Symantec Enterprise Cloud adoption. Adopting Symantec Enterprise Cloud involves several key risk management and mitigation strategies to ensure a smooth transition and ongoing operational security. Here are some essential steps and considerations. Risk assessment and identification. Conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential vulnerabilities, compliance issues, and operational risks specific to your organization and the Symantec Enterprise Cloud environment. security and compliance requirements. Ensure that the cloud adoption aligns with your organization's security policies, regulatory requirements, and industry standards, example GDPR, HIPAA. Symantec Enterprise Cloud should provide robust security features and compliance certifications to meet these needs. Data protection and privacy. Implement encryption, data masking, and access controls to protect sensitive data both in transit and at rest within the Symantec Enterprise Cloud environment. Ensure that data residency and privacy concerns are addressed according to legal and organizational requirements. Vendor risk management. Assess Symantec's security practices, data protection measures, incident response capabilities, and contractual obligations through vendor risk management frameworks. Ensure that they align with your organization's risk appetite and compliance needs. Service level agreements, SLAs, and performance monitoring. Define clear SLAs with Symantec for uptime, performance, and incident response times. Establish monitoring and reporting mechanisms to track compliance with SLAs and to promptly address any performance issues. Change management and governance. Implement robust change management processes to handle updates, configurations, and deployments within the Symantec Enterprise Cloud environment. Ensure that governance frameworks are in place to oversee cloud usage and enforce policies effectively. Training and awareness. Provide training to employees and stakeholders involved in using or managing the Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Foster awareness about security best practices, compliance requirements, and how to mitigate risks specific to cloud environments. Backup and disaster recovery. Develop and test backup and disaster recovery plans that encompass data stored in Symantec Enterprise Cloud. Ensure that these plans align with your organization's recovery time objectives, RTO, and recovery point objectives, RPO. How does Symantec Enterprise Cloud ensure data privacy and compliance? Symantec Enterprise Cloud, now part of Broadcom, implements several measures to ensure data privacy and compliance. Data encryption. Symantec Enterprise Cloud uses strong encryption techniques to protect data both in transit and at rest. This ensures that data remains encrypted and unreadable to unauthorized parties. Access controls. Strict access controls are implemented to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data. Role-based access control, RBAC, mechanisms are often used to manage and enforce access permissions. Compliance certifications. Symantec Enterprise Cloud typically adheres to various compliance standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, SOC 2, and others depending on the region and industry requirements. These certifications ensure that the cloud services meet specific security and privacy standards. Auditing and monitoring. Continuous monitoring and auditing of the cloud infrastructure and data access help detect and respond to potential security incidents or compliance breaches promptly. Data residency and jurisdiction. Symantec Enterprise Cloud allows customers to specify where their data is stored, data residency, and ensures that data handling complies with local jurisdictional regulations. Data loss prevention. DLP measures are implemented to prevent unauthorized data exfiltration and ensure that data is handled according to organizational policies and regulatory requirements. Transparent privacy policies. Clear and transparent privacy policies are maintained, outlining how data is collected, stored, processed, and shared, thereby ensuring customers are informed about data handling practices. What security measures does Symantec Enterprise Cloud employ against cyber threats? Symantec Enterprise Cloud, now part of Broadcom, offers several security measures to protect against cyber threats. Some of these measures typically include advanced threat protection, utilizing sophisticated threat detection and prevention technologies to identify and block advanced threats in real time. Endpoint security, protecting endpoints, devices like laptops, desktops, and servers from malware, ransomware, and other malicious activities. Encryption, ensuring data encryption both in transit and at rest to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Access control, implementing strong access control mechanisms to restrict access to sensitive data and resources based on user roles and permissions. Firewall and network security, deploying firewalls and network security measures to monitor and control network traffic, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring data integrity. Incident response, having protocols in place to respond quickly to security incidents, minimizing potential damage and restoring normal operations swiftly. Compliance and governance, adhering to industry regulations and best practices to ensure data privacy and security compliance. Security monitoring and analytics, continuous monitoring of systems and networks for suspicious activities and anomalies, coupled with advanced analytics to detect and respond to emerging threats. How can businesses customize Symantec Enterprise Cloud to meet their specific needs? Businesses can customize Symantec Enterprise Cloud, formerly known as Veritas Enterprise Vault, to meet their specific needs through several key approaches. Configuration and policy management. Utilize the configuration options within Symantec Enterprise Cloud to tailor how data is archived, stored, and managed. This includes setting retention policies, defining storage locations, and configuring access controls to align with specific compliance and operational requirements. Integration with existing systems. Integrate Symantec Enterprise Cloud with other enterprise systems and applications such as email servers, content management systems, or collaboration platforms. This integration allows for seamless data archiving and retrieval processes, ensuring that archived data is easily accessible and compliant with organizational workflows. Custom metadata and tagging. Employ custom metadata and tagging capabilities to categorize and organize archived data according to business-specific criteria. This facilitates efficient search and retrieval of archived information based on contextual attributes that matter most to the organization. Compliance and legal hold management. Customize compliance features within Symantec Enterprise Cloud to meet industry-specific regulations and legal requirements. Implement advanced legal hold capabilities to preserve data integrity and ensure that archived information remains tamper-proof and admissible in legal proceedings. Scalability and performance tuning. Adjust scalability parameters and performance settings to accommodate varying data volumes and usage patterns. This ensures that the system can handle increased data loads without compromising performance or exceeding resource limits. Reporting and analytics. Leverage reporting and analytics tools provided by Semantic Enterprise Cloud to gain insights into data usage, storage trends, and compliance adherence. Customize reports to monitor specific metrics relevant to business operations and regulatory obligations. Training and support. Invest in training programs and support services to educate IT staff and end users on how to effectively utilize and customize Semantic Enterprise Cloud. This ensures that the solution is optimally configured and maintained to meet evolving business needs. Why choose ProExcellency for Semantic Enterprise Cloud online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Semantic Enterprise Cloud online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency typically offers training conducted by experienced professionals who have in-depth knowledge of Semantic Enterprise Cloud. This ensures that you receive high-quality training from industry experts. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs often cover all essential aspects of Semantic Enterprise Cloud, providing a comprehensive understanding of the platform. This can include installation, configuration, administration, and troubleshooting. Flexible learning options. Online training through ProExcellency allows you to learn at your own pace and convenience. You can access course materials from anywhere, making it suitable for busy professionals or those who prefer self-paced learning. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency's training may include preparation for Semantic Enterprise Cloud certification exams. They often structure their courses to help you achieve certification readiness. Support and resources. They typically provide access to resources such as practice tests, labs, and additional study materials, which can enhance your learning experience and preparation. Reputation and reviews. Checking reviews and reputation can also guide your decision. ProExcellency's track record and feedback from past participants can give you insights into the quality of their training. Thank you.